It's time for another IT certification review. This is a little special because this is probably the most satisfying mid or professional level certification exam that I ever achieved. This is Arista Certified Engineer or ACE Level 3 Cloud Journeyman. You can't debate with me, but this is probably the best mid or professional level network certification out there. For those who are new to this channel, welcome. I am your host, name is Dean Armada, and I am career and certification captain. And on this channel, we talk about tech careers and certifications, trivia and tutorials in cybersecurity, trivia and tutorials in cloud and data center, and my journey as an IT instructor. So feel free to check out the rest of the channel and consider subscribing. First, what is Arista Networks? It's a computer network company based in Silicon Valley, Santa Clara, California to be specific. They offer various solutions, but they gain popularity from their data center Ethernet switches, which is designed to be low latency, built for programmability, built for automation, and SDN solutions. All switches runs in a single operating system, which is called Extensible OS or EOS. This runs on a Linux kernel. And who uses their product? Well, huge data centers, popular apps, and cloud service providers. It's like this. After Arista and Microsoft created this hyperscale cloud networking blueprint, that would be around the mid of 2010s. Other cloud giants became Arista's customers as well, such as Rackspace, Facebook, Netflix, and many more. And it's safe to say that the cloud as we know today wouldn't exist at the scale that it does without Arista switches. Now, there is this Arista certification program, and it has been revamped last 2021, just last year. We had before ACE stands for Arista Certified Engineer -A. A stands for Associate, and this has been retired. You can no longer take this exam. The new certification program consists of ACE, still Arista Certified Engineer, but this time multi-levels from level 1 to up to 7. There are also specialist certification that we will talk about in another video. So, for those who are already ACE-A, it will be automatically converted to ACE Level 2, Cloud Associate. Let's talk about more on Arista Certified Engineer Level 3. Most Arista certification exams are hands-on lab. These are level 1 to up to level 5 and other specializations as well. These are virtual/remote labs. It's not like CCIE where you need to go to the exam location. There is no certification prerequisite. You don't need to be ACE level 1 or level 2 in order to take level 3 exam. But here is the thing. You can only take the exam when you attend ILT or instructor-led training. Well, it makes sense because I've been delivering lots of training and students always ask me during training if the exam voucher is included. And 90%, I always say either no or you should ask the accounting team. Again, if you attend the training, automatically you get a shot on the exam. Here's another good part. If you attended the training, you will get 3 weeks of lab access and support as well. Is there another way to take the exam? I don't have budget for ILT, it's so expensive. Well, there is another way. You can also take the exam when you purchase Arista Academy or core preparation packages. These are self-paced training. This includes digital books/course materials, video tutorials, lab access, etc. We are going to talk about this in another video. Exam experience. Arista Certified Engineer Level 3 is a 4-hour hands-on lab exam, all remote. And there is a proctor that will guide you, but he will not monitor you. It's not like Kubernetes certification exam. It's because the exam is open books. Yes, bring everything. Notes, materials, configuration examples, configuration templates, everything you need to pass the exam. Now, the actual exam is based on the training you attended. And obviously, it's not the same lab exercises. It's a little different, it's a little difficult. Now, scheduling the exam is not via Pearson VUE nor Prometri. You book the exam via SDN-PROS, which is the training arm of Arista Networks. Once booked, they will send you a link via email and you will get the exam details. Preparation time. I've been working with Arista switches for over 7 years. Again, I'm one of the first certified instructor way back in 2015, so I'm already familiar with the technology. I spent most of my preparation on those technologies that are new to me, such as Cloud Vision Portal, EVPN, Mp-bgp, multi-homing, etc. It took me 3 to 4 weeks of preparation, and the cost of the exam is again bundled with ILT or instructor-led training, or even self-paced packages, which is available again only via SDN-PROS website. Materials I use are the official training materials and Arista documentations. Alright, what would benefit you if you obtain this certification? Here's the thing. There are only very few top-tier network vendors that are designed for large data centers and cloud network environment. We're not talking about cheap network infrastructure here. We're talking about Facebook, Google Cloud, Azure, Netflix level. So, if you want to work with these huge companies, you should get this certification. Again, the exam is intense, hands-on lab. And if you pass, if you obtain the certification, you are really that damn good. The certification exam covers not only advanced networking, but also minimal programmability and automation, SDN or software-defined networking in a spine and leaf architecture. Tips. I will reveal my ultimate secret in passing the exam. Well, actually, it's not a secret. Since you are given 3 weeks of lab access when you attend the ILT or the instructor-led training, you should take advantage of this opportunity. You should do more and more labs, experiment, play around, create many different network scenarios, practice BGP, practice EVPN, and on the exam itself, they provide you this question/task. Spend time understanding all of these questions and grab a piece of paper and pencil, whatever. Then draw the topology. Prepare the related materials like configuration samples, documents, etc. Now, let's make a verdict. It's time to rate this certification. Alright, exam content, I'll give it 5. Think about it. Advanced data center networking, software-defined networking or SDN, lots of VXLAN and EVPN, obviously. Relevance to current technology. I will also give it 5. We are talking about the brand used by giant tech companies such as Facebook, Netflix, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud, and many more. Next, value for money? I will also give it 5. Some people would say it's expensive. ILT can be costly. But come on, you can do self-paced. Alright, market demand. Market demand, I will be fair. Since this certification program is relatively new and not too many companies are using Arista switches, I'll give it 4. Do you agree with my ratings?